Xiaomi fans, welcome. Months after beta testing, Samsung today initiated the stable Android 14 ways to One UI 6.0 update rollout for the Galaxy S23 series. It comes as the first major firmware update for the company's latest flagship handsets, debuted earlier this year. One UI 6.0 brings major user interface tweaks and adds a number of new useful features, as well as all security and privacy-related enhancements introduced by Android 14. The software also comes with non-linear animations as part of providing better experience to Galaxy consumers. Galaxy S23 beta testing members have started getting the stable Android update in Europe with the firmware wears build version BWJM. The October 2023 security patch is included in the update. You can check the list of all new features included in the update through article link in description. If you like the video, then please subscribe us and stay with us.